Hello everyone, and welcome to the Healthy Tablespoon. Cleaning is a vital aspect of maintaining a healthy and organized living environment. Regular cleaning not only helps to keep your space looking its best, but it also has numerous physical and mental health benefits. Physically, cleaning helps to improve indoor air quality by removing allergens, dust, and other pollutants. It can also help to prevent the spread of germs and illnesses. Mentally, cleaning can be a form of stress relief, as it provides a sense of accomplishment and helps to clear your mind. Cleaning can also improve your focus, boost your energy levels, and increase your motivation. Additionally, cleaning can help to foster a sense of pride in your home, making it a more comfortable and inviting place to live. Whether you are cleaning your home, your office, or any other space, the benefits of cleaning are undeniable. In this video, you will discover the sources of motivation for cleaning, and you will experience the numerous benefits it has to offer. Before we get into this video about cleaning motivation tips and benefits, check out the link in the description to discover the secret to never pay for laundry detergent again, have softer, cleaner clothes, and improve your health. Check out the link in the description to discover what you can do right now to save your health, your money by reducing your energy bills, and never pay for detergent again. Now, let's get straight into the video. Take on tasks one by one. When it comes to tackling household chores, it's important to break them down into manageable tasks, rather than trying to tackle everything at once. This approach not only makes the cleaning process more manageable, but also helps you to see the progress as you complete each task, which can boost motivation. For example, instead of attempting to clean the entire house in one day, choose to focus on one room or one specific task each day. For instance, on Monday, dedicate your time and energy to deep clean the rooms. On Tuesday, switch your focus to doing laundry. On Wednesday, tackle the kitchen. And finally, on Thursday, concentrate on cleaning the bedroom and living room. By breaking down your cleaning tasks into smaller, manageable segments, you'll be able to maintain your motivation and make steady progress in your cleaning efforts. Motivate yourself with a treat. Rewarding yourself after completing a task is a powerful motivator that can help you push through even the most dreaded chores. This reward can be tangible, such as purchasing something you've been wanting, or it can be time spent doing an activity you love. For example, you could tell yourself that if you finish your daily cleaning, you'll treat yourself to a new book you've been wanting to read. Or, once you've successfully reorganized your master closet, you'll spend a few hours indulging in your favorite hobby, like scrapbooking. The key is to choose a reward that is meaningful to you, and to make sure it is something you will generally look forward to. This way, you'll have a clear incentive to complete your task, and you'll feel a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction once you've done so. Whether it's material reward or simply the satisfaction of doing something you enjoy, having a clear and attainable goal in mind can help to keep you motivated and focused on the task at hand. Clean even without the drive. Do you find yourself putting off household chores because you don't feel motivated or inspired to do them? You're not alone. Many people struggle with finding the drive to tackle household tasks. However, as psychologist Heidi Grant Holverson explains in a 2014 Harvard Business Review article, it's important to remember that you don't have to wait until you feel like cleaning to start. Holverson cites wisdom from Oliver Burkeman's book, The Antidote, where Burkeman asks, "Who says you need to wait until you feel like doing something to start doing it?" In other words, it's not necessary to feel inspired or committed to cleaning, although those positive feelings certainly can make the task more enjoyable. The key is simply to get it done. It's important to recognize that cleaning and other household tasks don't have to be performed out of pure inspiration or motivation. Sometimes they just need to be done, and that's okay. By letting go of the expectation that you need to feel a certain way to start, you can get to work and make progress regardless of your initial level of motivation. Remember, the result of a clean and organized home is reward enough. TikTok, clean with the clock. Are you someone who gets easily distracted or overwhelmed by cleaning tasks? If so, using a timer can be a powerful motivator to help you get started. Set a timer for 20 minutes and tackle one specific cleaning task, such as loading your dishwasher, scrubbing your sink, or vacuuming and dusting your living room. The key is to focus on this task for an entire 20-minute period, even if you don't feel like it. By working on a task for just 20 minutes, you'll build a sense of accomplishment and momentum. You'll be surprised how much you can get done in such a short amount of time. And as you see progress being made, you'll be more motivated to keep going. The next day, vow to work on a different task for the same amount of time, or more or less depending on your motivation. By slowly building up your cleaning routine, you'll soon find that you have a clean and organized home. Plus, you'll feel a sense of pride and satisfaction knowing that you tackled those cleaning tasks and made a difference in your home. Spark joy in cleaning by using new cleaning products. Are you feeling uninspired and unmotivated when it comes to cleaning your home? One simple solution is to try using new cleaning products. Something as simple as purchasing a new cleaning product can instantly breathe new life into your cleaning routine. One of the key benefits of using new cleaning products is the scent. Something about cleaning with products that leave your home smelling fresh and clean is especially inspiring. The aroma of a new product can energize and motivate you to tackle even the most daunting cleaning tasks. So, next time you're feeling uninspired about cleaning, consider trying a new product. Whether it's new all-purpose cleaner, a new window spray, or new air freshener, the simple act of using a new product can bring new energy and excitement to your cleaning routine. And, who knows, you may even discover your new favorite cleaning product. Clean and connect. Before we get into how cleaning with a companion can build and maintain your motivation, check out the link in the description to discover the secret to never pay for laundry detergent ever again. Have softer, cleaner clothes and improve your health. Check out the link in the description to discover what you can do right now to save your health, your money by reducing your energy bills, and never pay for detergent again. Now, let's get straight into cleaning and connecting. Tired of feeling lonely and unmotivated while cleaning your home? A great solution is to clean with a friend. By calling up a friend and cleaning together, you can make the cleaning process more enjoyable and productive. Cleaning with a friend is a great way to stay motivated. Not only will you be able to chat and catch up, but you'll also be able to support each other as you tackle cleaning tasks. Working together with a friend can make even the most tedious cleaning task feel more manageable. Additionally, cleaning with a friend can be a great way to bond and deepen your relationship. Whether it's a close friend, a family member, or neighbor, cleaning together can provide an opportunity for meaningful conversation and shared experiences. With a clean and organized space, relaxation is effortless. At its core, a tidy home cultivates a tidy mind. When you are surrounded by clutter, such as dirty dishes, dust, and piles of laundry, it becomes much more challenging to unwind. On the other hand, if your home is free of a mess, with everything neatly put away and a pleasant fragrance in the air, your downtime becomes much more peaceful and stress-free. By prioritizing cleaning and organization, you can create a serene and calming environment, perfect for unwinding after a long day. In addition, if you want to advance in life, don't forget to show us some love by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. And with that being said, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.